Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and we're here at Windfall Christian Church in the metropolis of Windfall, Indiana. Population 696. Salute! So it's actually part of the church, and it goes this way, and it goes this way. So we're going to go in here, inside of here, check it out. If you like videos like this, be sure to check out our playlist called Church Reviews. I've probably got about 40 churches from around the country, all kinds of different states. I think this might be my first one from Indiana. But in fact, this is my home church from where I grew up. Not the one I've attended the most, but where I grew up. So come on with us, because you've just entered the Coolest Life. So we are here in the main sanctuary. As you can see, they've got a big board there. So they'll be doing some video. I know they actually broadcast their service online, like a lot of churches do. Really cool looking church. Do have pews. Oh well, that's fine. Sometimes pews are more comfortable than those chairs anyway. So let's go on in.
After he blessed it, he passed it to the disciples. He said, "This cup is the new covenant in my blood. Drink from it often in remembrance of me."
Somewhere, and we got back later than we intended, okay? You know how that goes. We intended to be back at 6 o'clock, and we got back at whatever it was, later. And so I got a message that one of the moms was rather upset about all of that because we didn't get back when I said we were going to get back. So preacher, you lied or blah, 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 whatever that was. It wasn't pretty. But anyway, so I went to see this mom, and I thought, well, I can fix this. I'll let her know what my intentions were. Well, you know what her response was? And I'll never forget this line. The road to hell is paved with good intentions, preacher. The road to hell is paved with good intentions. Well, I don't know about the truth of that text. I don't find it in my Bible. But I understand the point is we all have good intentions, but if we don't do something about it, if we don't try to follow through, then we're just deceiving ourselves, But all week except sat in a hotel. But the next week in a hotel trying to get out of the country. We had intentions. Man, we had all this stuff we took with us, plans, and went out and surveyed on Sunday, and Monday morning we get up and there's rioting in the streets. And our intentions were gone. Our intentions were gone. But the consistency was Jesus Christ is in charge of this mission trip, and whatever it takes, we're going to try to get out of here. But God's in charge. We are not. Bailing out of the United Methodist hierarchy because they're trying to force homosexuality and all that kind of agenda on the church. Trying to lord it over them, saying this is what you will do, and this is what you will allow, and this is what you'll teach, and this is who will be your leaders. And it looks like to me there's hundreds of churches saying, not in our time, we're not doing that. Not our community.
Well, good service. It wasn't as long as my wife thought it was going to be. Just saying. You get a goodie basket as a newbie, and you get that a lot when you travel. And you tend to get a welcome package kind of thing.
Visitor's gift.
A visitor's gift, yeah, basically. Encouragement. This one here actually had a NIV version of the Bible, which was the book was bigger than most, but the print was smaller than most, I think. But hey, it's a free gift. Also, what would you say? Some bread was in here. Banana bread was in here. How about that? I don't think we've ever gotten banana bread as a newbie gift, but we did this time. Enjoyed the service. So we'll be back Possibly, it could happen. We got one more Sunday, but I think we may go to a different church because we're trying to do reviews. That's what we like to do. And
we walked to church.
And we did walk to church because this place is only a block from a full city block, but nonetheless just a block from my mom's house. So by the time we got in the car and got our seatbelts on, we'd be pulling into the parking lot. So we decided to walk to church. It was a beautiful day here in where is this, May? Yeah, May, late May, and May 21st. There you go. So did enjoy the service. Be sure to like and subscribe and check out that playlist that I mentioned at the beginning of this video if you're interested in taking a look at some other churches and how they do business, because we're just out here living
The coolest life.
church review edition.